Hello everyone, my name is Cameron, and today I will be talking to you about my experiences with the Grateful Dead Archive Online, aka GDAO. Before I begin, I'd like to share that my parents and I are absolute deadheads. So it was really cool for me to see that there's a digital library specifically devoted to anything and everything Grateful Dead. So you can find the Grateful Dead archive at the link GDAO.org. The GDAO is the perfect place for deadheads to connect with each other. Anybody is allowed to upload their items, as long as it's theirs, or they have verbal permission to do so. And it's completely free for all to view. The communities that the GDAO caters to are deadheads, researchers, and University of California, Santa Cruz faculty, staff members, and students. Because UCSC is the official holder of the GDAO. UCSC has been operating the GDAO since 2008, and there's an estimated 45,000 digital items featured in the archive. These items are primarily from 1965 to 1995 era of the Grateful Dead. People have contributed their recordings, fan mail, posters, pictures, radio interviews, tickets, and more to the digital library. If you scroll to the bottom, you'll see a list of some of the partners and shareholders that are associated with the GDAO and UCSC. These partners include University of California Digital Library, Institute of Museum and Library Services, Omeka, Internet Archive, and Cosmic. So there wasn't a clearly stated mission statement, but based on what I gathered, this digital library of Grateful Dead memorabilia was created with the hope of encouraging a community of music lovers to share their band merchandise with each other. One of the nice features about the GDAO is the way items are organized. So items are organized by shows, milestones, artists, media, and fan art. If you click on shows, it'll take you to a map of the places that the Dead is performed. And if you click on a rose, it'll give you the name of the place they performed and a description of the location. So as you can see, they played at Sports Palace in Barcelona, Spain. If you go to artists, media, and fan art, you can scroll through a bunch of images and other items that have been created by different artists and contributed by all kinds of people. Since UCSC does own the library though, there's certain collections non-UCSC people will not have access to. So as you can see here, I won't be able to look at this, but I could look at this collection because it's open to everyone. So the search features are pretty interesting, especially advanced search. Users could search for something by creator, title, subject, or all three. But they could also do a basic search, which would kind of give them everything associated with the keyword that they typed in. But if users are unsure about how to go about searching for something, the help section for the GDAO actually provides some really helpful search tips. So for the live demo itself, I'm going to search for one of my favorite songs of theirs, Ripple. So it'll show me anything that has that keyword in it. There's 233 results. If I wanted to narrow my search, I could look at fan tape, image, fanzine, or album cover. Or, if I didn't want to do that, I could just scroll down and look at everything. So as far as reference services go, users will definitely want to utilize the help page for any confusions they might have, since there isn't a live chat feature. And as mentioned prior, they do offer some search tips, which will help users get the most out of their advanced search options. And for any users who spot DL problems, or researchers who need further research help, they are encouraged to email grateful@ucsc.edu. And UCSC also greatly cares about the privacy of its users, so emails are completely anonymous when and if users decide to make a contribution to the archive. Currently, GDAO is accepting items still, but they aren't accepting recordings. And I could not find a formal collection policy, but I believe that by allowing all fans to share their items with each other, the GDAO will still be around 5 years from now. And I'm hoping that younger people will also eventually discover this digital library and keep the Grateful Dead's memory alive, because the Grateful Dead is such an influential band. Thank you for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions.